Okay, guys, I was talking about the length of bonds. So, due to the non-availability of internet, so the previous recording was not completed. So I'm continuing from slide number 12. So I was talking about that the bond length in the carbon-carbon bond length in benzene is 1.39, which is the intermediate of the lengths of carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon triple bond, carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon single bonds. So now I move to slide number 13. Okay, slide number 13. Now, here each carbon also has unhybridized 2p orbital. That is, this thing I have already explained to you in this diagram. Okay, each carbon has unhybridized p orbital, which due to sideways parallel overlapping give rise to double bonds. So this slide is the explanation of that thing. According to molecular orbital theory, the combination of these 6 parallel 2p atomic orbitals gives a set of 6 pi molecular orbitals. 3 pi molecular जो हैं bonding orbitals जो हैं, और 3 जो हैं वो anti bonding molecular orbitals हैं. Okay, so हम इसकी डिटेल में इसलिए नहीं जाते हैं because that is not the course contents. Now the two benzene resonant forms can be represented by a single structure with a circle in the center. So this is the average structure. Now this is the average of these two structures. Now what does this inner circle means? This means that the pi system in the benzene structure is delocalized. Okay, this does not indicate the number of pi electrons in the ring, but shows the delocalized structures, that there is no difference in the single bonds and the double bonds. In this structure, this carbon and this carbon is bearing double bond, but here this carbon and this carbon is bearing single bond. Here double bond is converted into single bond, and single bond is converted into double bonds. So how this is possible? This is only possible because in benzene structure, the carbon-carbon length is intermediate of carbon-carbon single bonds and carbon-carbon double bonds. Next, we come to slide number this. This is a practice I have given to you. You can read this slide very carefully and go for the practice. I will not give you the answer. If you feel any difficulty, then please send the queries. I will explain. Now we come to the key ideas on benzene. So after all this discussion, now let's summarize the key ideas on benzene. Number one is the benzene is a cyclic conjugated molecule. Now cyclic तो you आपको understand कर लिया आपने. Conjugated means that alternative single and double bond. तो benzene structure में alternative single bonds and double bonds हैं. One single, one double, one single, one double, one single, one double. और ये usually stable है. इसकी जो डेल्टा हाइड्रोजिनेशन वैल्यू है दैट इज 150 किलो जूल्स पर मोल, विच इज लेस नेगेटिव देन अ साइक्लिक ट्राइन. यानी कि अगर साइक्लिक हम कहते हैं ना इसमें 3 डबल बॉन्ड्स हैं, तो ये साइक्लिक ट्राइन है. उसके मुकाबले में दिस जो एनर्जी है 150, वो एक बिल्कुल डिफरेंट फिगर है. बेंजीन इज प्लेनर हेक्सागोन. बॉन्ड एंगल्स आर in between carbon single bond and carbon double bond. Benzene undergoes substitution reactions rather than electrophilic addition, and benzene is a resonance hybrid with structure between two line bond structures, and benzene has 6 pi electrons which are delocalized over the entire ring. So this is a short intro for benzene. And in the next slide, I will give you some important points related to the nomenclature of the benzene. Thank you so much.